मैं पागल नहीं हूँ कि किसी को भी बस हर किसी से बस उठ के लड़ना है. I'm not that girl, you know. Even if somebody has to say shit about me, I'm not there to even defend myself. मुझे बात ही नहीं करनी, मुझे मत्था ही नहीं मारना किसी से, you know. I haven't layered anything. I've always been very, very emotional, you know. Just that people did not want to buy that side of mine. And when you say I'm bold and I give it back to people, I don't. Maybe earlier a few things that I must have done made people feel that way. But when everybody keeps telling me, oh, you're so bindas, you're so bold, you give it back to people. I don't give it back to anybody, you know. It's just if you wrong me, if something's not up to the mark, I would just say it. But मैं पागल नहीं हूँ कि किसी को भी बस हर किसी से बस उठ के लड़ना है. I'm not that girl, you know. And today I've become so calm in life. Maybe I've changed in the last few years. Even if somebody has to say shit about me, I'm not there to even defend myself, you know. I move on. मुझे बात ही नहीं करनी, मुझे मत्था ही नहीं मारना किसी से, you know. मैंने अपने आप को कभी इतना seriously लिया ही नहीं. They called me black, काली, dusky, this and that. Here I was dealing with my acne all this while, trying to look pretty, working on my skin. And I never realized what was the fuss about being dusky or wheatish. अगर मैं Indian skin नहीं होगा मेरा, I would be called a foreigner, right? So मुझे वो सब कभी समझ नहीं आया. And people kept writing and I never felt a need to clarify that. Whenever it was the trollings about the clothes or whatever the hell it was that I did, I was somehow always been a piece for news, you know.